Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Fortnite gameplay, a comparison between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X7 Pro device. The Realme X2 Pro has a Snapdragon 855 processor, and I'm using this phone for about I think close to 1 year with this Realme X2 Pro device, and with the Realme X7 Pro device, it's been close to 1 month of using this phone. So the phone has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and Realme X2 Pro has a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, as you can see here. So quite a different processors between this kind of both phones, and recently I did start to make this kind of comparison videos between these both phones, testing this kind of gaming test, display, camera, and a lot of other comparisons between both the smartphones. So try to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro device. You can find so many interesting videos which are already uploaded on the Realme X7 Pro, and for this kind of live wallpapers also there is a links available in the description below. So let's get started by opening the Fortnite game in both the smartphones. So let's see friends, what is the FPS you can play in the Fortnite game in both phones. And before that, let me also show you another thing is that in the settings about the display what refresh rate I am using. So in case if you are wondering what refresh rate I am using, as you can see, I'm trying to use the maximum refresh rate 120 Hz and the 90 Hz refresh rate. So now let me try to open the Fortnite game at the moment. And first let me try to open in one phone, and then I'll try to open in other phone because there's only one account at the moment. So I can I'll try to show you the exact settings what it's getting in the Realme X2 Pro. So first let me try to open in the Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see here friends, right now I did open the Fortnite game in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is a Realme X2 Pro, and let me quickly show you the settings. So as you can see here in the Realme phones, mostly friends, the Realme phones, they are kind of not that supported with the high FPS in this Fortnite game. So only the OnePlus and kind of only few phones which are kind of related to the Fortnite game only, they are supported with this kind of higher FPS count. So most of the Realme phones at the moment, they are not supported with the high FPS. So that's why we are seeing only 30 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro, even though the phone processor is kind of powerful and can also support the 90 FPS, but still the Fortnite gameplay is not kind of optimized for the Realme smartphones. So that's only the drawback for the Realme phones at the moment if you're playing the Fortnite game. So by default you'll be getting this kind of options, epic and the 3D resolution and low high. So it doesn't matter what resolution I am using, so FPS count will always remain at only 30 FPS only, as you can clearly see 20 and 30 FPS. So these are only options you are having in the Realme X2 Pro device. So overall the gameplay is kind of very good. There is no lag or delay while playing the game, the Fortnite game. So let me even try to start the match. So let me even show you the real-time FPS count meter. As you can see on the top, it's trying to maintain around 30 FPS only, as you can see. So I did use the Realme X2 Pro for a very long time, and I have tested so many games in this phone. So which is very good in this Realme X2 Pro. There is no issues regarding any game that doesn't support in this phone. So every game actually supports in the phone, and it's very smooth toward the time. So let me show you the FPS count right now. So as you can see here, 30 FPS. So little bit of you can see that kind of lag when you are turning to move around. But overall friends, the Realme X2 Pro Snapdragon 855 processor is also very good and decent enough. So there's no issues with this phone till now, as I said. And the FPS count, as you can see right now, let me try to show you the FPS count meter quickly. So 25, as you can see here, 29, 27. So try to observe this kind of CPU and GPU usage overall. What is the maximum, how much it is? 18% and 73%. I did take the screenshot, and later I'll try to compare this kind of screenshot with the Realme X7 Pros, how much the CPU and GPU is utilizing at the time when you are playing the game. So let me quickly open the same game in the Realme X1 Pro as well. And Realme X7 Pro has got 120 Hz refresh rate, the display, which is also very good in this phone. So as a future proof option, you are getting the 120 Hz. So maybe in the future, so many other games, they will be supporting the 120 Hz. So but one drawback is that in the Realme X1 Pro, the 120 fps is not working at the moment, that the game space need to be updated. So few applications which are actually supported with the 120 fps, they're not displaying with the 120 fps. So I did a separate video on that topic as well, so check that videos, links in description for that playlist. So let me quickly open this game and show you the real-time fps count meter, how much I'm getting in the Fortnite in the Realme X7 Pro game phone. And even I'll try to do the another comparison with the Poco F2 Pro as well, so which has the Snapdragon 865 processor, which is also very powerful processor. So I'll try to do more and more comparisons even with the Poco F2 Pro, in case if you're interested with this Poco F2 Pro smartphone, so which also has this kind of cool live wallpaper. So I'll try to do that kind of videos with the Poco F2 Pro. As you can see, this is a Realme X7 Pro's settings. And in the Realme X7 Pro, there is no epic settings. As you can see, low, medium and high. Only 3 options you are getting. And the Realme X2 Pro, we have the epic settings also. So that is another thing you need to note down here. So 30 fps only. So maybe in the future it might get updated, but at the moment these are the default settings you will be able to play right now. So let me quickly start the match and show you the real-time fps count and CPU and GPU utilization, how much it's utilizing at the moment. So here is a screenshot which are taken in the Realme X2 Pro's CPU and GPU utilization and FPS count. So right now this is a Realme X7 Pro's CPU and GPU utilization. So let's see when the game continues how much it will utilize CPU and GPU. One thing is that I did like the colors in this phone, and there's a very good vibration feedback as well whenever I'm trying to hit right now. So these are right now the same moment I have taken this kind of screenshot. So let me try to take the same screenshot when I'm jumping down and facing. So let's see how much the utilization will be there at that particular point. As you can see, friends, just compare the CPU and GPU utilization at the moment. 18%, 73%, and GPU utilizing only as 47, 51%. You can see the difference. CPU. So the stress on the GPU, so GPU is less, but the stress on the CPU is kind of close to each other. But as you can see, the stress is very less on the GPU performance, and FPS also maintaining 30 FPS only. So it's trying to increase and decrease. So maybe once you start playing the game, it might be varying. So right now there is not much lag, but 30 FPS, no, we got used to this kind of 60 FPS and 90 FPS gamings, maybe 60. And definitely you'll feel the difference when you're using this kind of 30 FPS games in this phone. So right now all the gameplay is very good. It's very smooth. So no issues in the Realme X7 Pro device in terms of gameplay. But only drawback is that 30 FPS you need to play the game. So until the game is actually optimized for this Realme phones. So let's see friends when that will happen for the Realme phones. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.